This is a capture race challenge for black. It seems pretty hopeless. Black only has 2 liberties left, while white has 3. So if black plays on the outside, then it will die instantly with number 2. So what should black do? But standing down here also doesn't work. In this type of situation, black's only hope is to try to come into the corner to buy a few extra liberties. And this might actually work. White must play here. Otherwise, black can stand down here. There's a cutting point here, so white cannot play number 4. So white must play an extra move on the outside, and white is already dead after black's number 5. So white must bend here to reduce black's liberties to 2. And now what should black do? Black should stand down right here, right? Any other move will result in failure. Any other move, white will just capture immediately. If you stand down the wrong spot, white can still capture you immediately. It's very important for black to stand down right here. And now white cannot come in from either side. So black is safe for now. Now what's happening is that if white simply tries to play from the outside, black can cut here. White cannot enter at number 6, and white will need 2 moves, number 6 and number 8, to remove the obstacle. But now number 9 can capture white already, so white will fail this way. White also cannot play here, because black can occupy the liberty from behind, and white cannot enter at number 6. So it seems like white is already trapped. But not so fast. White can actually play right here. It's a very resilient move. If black plays on the outside, then white can throw in here and start this code right away. If black wants to prevent this code, then white can bend here at number 6 and play this code instead. This code is better for black because this is an approach code for white, meaning white will need 1 extra move on the outside. So after number 7, the best white can do is to connect here or here. These are the same. So if white connects here, what black will do is black will capture the code first. Now white will need to play a code threat on the outside and get the code back. And now what black will do is to cut here. Now white cannot enter from either side. So white will have to take care of number 13 first. And black will capture the code back, like at number 15. So even if white wins this code and ignores the code threat at number 19, white still cannot come in and win this code outright. White still needs an extra move at number 20, right? So now black can still capture, but note that white has already ignored the code threat at number 19, right? So white needs an extra move on the outside. It's an approach code for white, so white is already at a disadvantage to begin with. But still, this is better than being captured by black. And this is the correct sequence. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can play out some of the other variations on your own, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.